good, it's not morning anymore, right? It's afternoon. So we're back at Michael's for another kids workshop. This one's free, so it should be fun. What are we doing today, Jojo?
Glow in the dark slime.
Yeah, so we're gonna do, yeah, it is glow in the dark slime, so we're gonna do that right now. We're meeting up. Oh, is there a lot of people today, or they're barely setting up? We're meeting up with my sister-in-law and the boys, and they're all going to make some slime. So yeah, I'll go ahead and take you guys along so you guys can see our finished product.
Wash my hands. Maybe you and I can take a shower and wash each other's hair together.
Yeah.
Are you gonna put glitter in her?
I don't know if I want pink or blue.
Oh, you don't know if you want pink glitter? I mean, pink slime or blue?
Making it.
You should try that.
There you go.
How about Joe? Let's see the slime.
This one's way better.
Yeah, that's real slime right there.
Right.
Mine's
And this
like,
one,
mine's not like,
it feels like, this one feels like putty.
yeah.
Yeah, no. What's this?
So is it just so fun to play with slime?
Yes.
Let's see your slime.
That's on mío ya.
Let's see your slime.
Yeah. No, we just have to play with it.
Are you disappointed in your
Play
slime?
with Jaden, the blue one. Play with Jaden. The blue one, because he said this is too sticky. Hold on, we'll go wash our hands right now. Come here.
Concentrate a bit too much.
On what?
I don't know.
I love putting the glitter in it because, look, come here. The glitter will look like this on here.
I'm gonna stretch it out with the glitter. Oh. I really like that one. That one's super stretchy.
No, es que pues es que no.
Oh, Sushi, only put that.
Está muy débil. Que tienes que jugar
Popping
con
up at
el
Michael's right now.
Sushi, only put that.
Daddy, I have a gift for you.
Let's see your banana. You love bananas?
Yeah.
I think we officially have a problem, right? We're back at Panda Express. Probably for like the second time this week. It's so good though. I can't wait to eat. Jojo doesn't like Panda Express, so she's not too happy.
Too bad.
Alright, time to enjoy it. So we're at Olive Garden for their never-ending pasta deal because we were starving. And what happened?
We didn't finish.
We didn't even finish one plate with all the bread and the pasta and the soup. We got full on our first round, so we didn't even get the never-ending.
We're sad. We're sad.
I feel like this always. Am I recording? Am I on? I feel like this always happens at Olive Garden. I'm always like super hungry, and I'm like, I'm gonna down 2 plates, and I can't even down like a quarter of one because after the bread and the pasta, it's a lot. And now we got chocolate. Okay. So, what were your thoughts on the never-ending pasta deal?
Good deal. Don't get the salad or the soup before you eat.
It's too much food.
Yep.
I don't know how somebody could do like 2 or more plates. I mean, if they let you share, that'd be a good deal, right?
Yep.
Like if you could share one meal, but I don't think they'll let you do that. Anyway, where are we heading to right now?
Oh, the Halloween store.
We gotta get a costume.
It's over there.
Or get inspired by a costume. So yeah, we're heading over there and see where the day takes us. Jojo didn't want to go out with us, so she stayed with her grandparents. But date day. Yeah. This is my date. No, it looks messed up. You look a little alien-like. You look old.
Or you know what? Come here, look.
Could you breathe under there? Was it hot?
If you have it.
Your face is red.
Yeah.
It did not look that good. Here, your hat back. What if you try this one? That one's not full face. Who are you?
I am your puppy.
Do you go for the Raiders?
Yes.
You should be a Darth Vader Raider fan. Oh my god.
Help me.
What?
Help me.
What is that supposed to mean?
Las Vegas. Wait.
Oh, Las Vegas. No, that's the Cut.
Alright, Christina. I'll be going on to Hector's head momentarily. Hold on.
So we are back home finally after a long day of shopping. It seemed like we walked an eternity, didn't it? We're exhausted. We made it just in time for The Walking Dead. It's back tonight, so we are currently watching it while Hector is stretching out his leg.
Knee.
Whatever. So we each got our costumes. I'm excited about mine. I'm going to be what I initially wanted to be, but I thought it was going to be too expensive, and I came up with my own version of it. And are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, it seems like this vlog was just eating and talking. I promise we didn't eat too much. It's just spanned out over the weekend. But yeah, we're ready to watch The Walking Dead and rest.
Go night night.
Yeah, before the week starts all over again. And I'm so sad because this is my last week off. And then I will probably be going back to work. I have an appointment tomorrow with my doctor, and she'll kind of tell me her recommendation. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed our weekend vlog. And hope you guys have a great week and a good night. See you guys in the next one. Bye.